Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Telegram can't be displayed error. To fix the Telegram can't be displayed error, the most common solution is to disable sensitive content filtering by logging into your account on the Telegram web version, right? Or web.telegram.org in a browser. And then what you're gonna do, hit the three bars at the top left and hit the settings gear and find privacy and security. Right? And if available, disable the sensitive or check the disable filtering box under sensitive content. Right? So yeah, right here. Make sure to disable that. Right? Or excuse me, turn it on. So yeah, basically that's it. If that doesn't work, try basic troubleshooting like restoring the app device or clearing the cache or checking your internet or reinstalling the app. Right? So yeah, basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.